Okay, I'd just like to say any part of that, only part of that song that was extremely racist, or both of those, I don't condone. For anyone else who's looking at this. And you know what? Just for Wiz, I'm going to sing one more for him. One that he should know, hopefully, mainly because we got in an accident with it. Here it is. Sorry, bro, I'm making a video for somebody.
Oh, okay. It's just super loud.
Oh, it is? Oh, I'm sorry.
Like we can hear it, like.
Oh, sorry.
No, it's alright. Just remember it's like close to fire and stuff.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Kids might be trying to sleep. So.
Alright, sorry.
Thanks, no problem.
Apparently it's a little loud for the dorm. So I should probably stop. This is a big deal. It's only 10:57. It's a Saturday night, but whatever. You know, people might be trying to sleep here at this Catholic college, trying to get some sleep before Mass. Whatever. Wiz, I'll see you Christmas break.